Dad's a real high-tech guy. And when push comes to shove, he'll do something especially creative, like painting the snow so he has a target, just in case he might forget where he wants to put this. Decide how we're going to tie off cables, or what are we going to do to keep it from going whoop back the other way.
And they're good anchor points. Yeah.
So we're going to have to anchor it to something here on the ground for safety sake.
Okay. We'll tie up on the cable. You're going to get the
your truck?
Huh? What?
We'll tie off to your truck. How about that?
Oh.
Not my truck. I brought it back home. This is the only one here. Ah.
So we can move from side to side. So
yeah, it's just as it hits the center point, it'll want to go over because we're grabbed right in the middle of it.
When it's laying on its side like this, the scale should only be reading, what, 5,000 pounds?
Yeah, right now it's only about 3.
3,000 pounds. Well, we really don't want anything bad to happen, so we're more than happy to cooperate.
Yeah, it doesn't do much good to negate everything you've done to this point, does it?
No. Remember that little magic spot? The little painted target? I think we might actually hit all his little targets. I even came up with something on this. You'll be impressed. Dad wanted me to tie each of those little outriggers in there individually. But I was thinking, we got this nifty little plastic skirt. So I just took and make a little cut in the nylon. It holds them all up. I don't have to do anything. Now we just come by, zip, zip, zip. They drop down into their little holders. Uh-oh, that one went upside down. About to start over. That's gonna be fun. The next few days, when it's about 40 degrees and the snow starts melting.
Hey, I know they got it.
He'll be out here with a crusher wrench every couple hours. Wait, what's wrong? I'm half a bubble off.
Got them all?
Yep. Hey, except you haven't got yours. Gotcha. 7,100 pounds. Which means, what do we have before? We're around 5,000 pounds? 4,000 in the neighborhood, 4,000 to 5,000. So we added a little bit of weight to it. Oh, it feels warmer already. feel like we should climb the tree.
Are you melting?
Yeah, it feels warmer already, that's what I'm saying. It does look nifty though, standing up like it's hurt. It's even kind of a nifty echo inside of here. I like that. But we can't afford a safety harness. Gotta go faster. Better pull. I gotta go. What's the problem? I can make it move, but not come off yet. What other tools do I have? Cell phone at this point isn't real handy. See ya! We got her up! We're finished! It's the end! Thank you, God. No, it wasn't that bad. It was fun. What you're looking at is a whole array of cables that are set up inside of this thing to disperse the load and absorb shock. As it's being picked up, as it's being leveled, that ties everything together to a nice tight unit so that you don't put all that load right on the bottom of the tree or right at the top of the tree with a bunch of leg bolts. Not gonna hold. This way, we're golden. Everything's fine.